David. No, not on his. Don't lean on him, sweetie. Anna, be careful, sweetie.
Here you go, Goof. Okay, hoist the sail. I think I made a boo-boo.
That's because the blanket isn't the right shape.
Well, let's take a look at a sail on a boat. What
Hey,
shape
David.
is the sail?
Hey, David.
A triangle.
And what shape is this blanket?
It's a square.
It's a square.
Yeah, you were right, Anna.
I can fold it into a triangle.
Anna, no, be careful, sweetie. His stomach is gentle.
That's not
Hey,
a
David. Hey,
What
big
shape
boy.
is that?
It's a rectangle.
Woo! Look
A
at him.
rectangle, right.
Look at him going.
I'm folding it a different way.
Look at you going, David.
Okey-dokey.
Ooh, what?
Is that
You're right at my feet.
Yes.
You're right at my feet. What are you doing here?
You betcha. Now we can sail to the island.
And bring back those cows. Hey! It's working!
David.
Okay, cows, let's move it.
Wait! The sailboat isn't big enough to hold all 8 cows. It can only hold 4 cows at a time.
I got it. If we
Anna.
break the cows into groups of 4, we can
Anna.
bring back one.
Anna, be careful. Anna, sweetie.
4
He's a baby.
1, 2,
Anna, don't lean on him all the way. He's just a baby, okay, sweetie? You're bigger than he is, okay?
now
David,
count out 4
speak
more
for
cows.
yourself. Speak up.
1, 2, 3,
Are you going?
4.
Are you going somewhere? You want to get that?
2 groups.
Go get it, David. Go get it. Go get it.
2 trips.
Wait, Anna, wait. Anna.
All aboard.
Anna.
1,
Anna.
3,
David, go get the blocks. Go get the blocks. Yeah, there you go. You're on all 4s. Go, yeah, move. Move, baby, move. Come on. Move.
that's
Move.
1 group.
I'll stay here to watch the cows.
Ah, David.
Second group, here we come.
Whoops, watch your head now. Oh, no, David. What's the deal? Anna, what are you doing?
1, 2,
4.
4.
La la, la.
That's the second group. All right.
Anna,
Cows ashore.
he's not a dolly.
Everybody moo like a cow.
Moo.
I'll take the 8 cows back to the petting zoo.
Thanks, Daisy. Vicky, we gotta hurry and find those other